Hello everyone. So most of you requested to solve most of the problems. So it takes a lot of time for me to do it in the paper and then process it to upload in YouTube. So I'll try to explain in this what to say textbook PDF as much as possible. So remember one thing. They'll give this table for you and they'll give the test data set that will be here. You can see here 6.1 comma 40 comma 5. So now what you have to do, you have to draw the test data set, but you have to leave some this sort of space. So make sure the table contains only 80 or 70% of your page. Like horizontally. Horizontally, it just has to take 70 because see we have to do this right. We have to write this Euclidean distance. So if your book is this of this size, see. So just till here you try to write the table and we have to calculate the Euclidean distance first. Before writing the table, we have to say what is given, what you have to a set of categories. So just have to write whatever there in table. CGPA is given, assessment is given, different marks, how many people have submitted project, and test results are. The results are only two, either pass or fail. So the task of classification to assign a category or class an arbitrary instance, we assign k equals to 3. Okay. First thing we have to calculate Euclidean distance between the test instance and this given table. Also simple, it's basic. Remember, this is CGPA, this part CGPA. 40 is for assignment and 5 is for project submitted. So now first what you have to do, the Euclidean distance, very simple. CGPA minus test CGPA, assessment minus test. Like x1 minus y1, x2 minus y2, x3 minus y3, where x are the given instances and y the test instances. Like that you can understand. Just for understanding, I'm saying like that. Understand like that. So see, CGPA, given CGPA minus test CGPA and the whole square. Same way, 9.2 minus 6.1, 85 minus 40 and 8 minus 5. All whole square, and then you just have to add it. See, you can directly write the same thing in your scientific calculator. Okay. Um, if I have to open a scientific calculator, we'll try it. So first I have a root, square root of, then I have this, right? So what was it? 9.5 minus, oh not minus, it's division. Oh, I have to erase. Great. Minus, I'm not that good at it. Where am I teaching? Yeah, it's here. 9.2. Okay, it's not 9.5, it's 9.2. 9.2. Bro, what is this? 9.2. Array. Oh shit, 9.2. I am typing my keyboards. Minus 6. See, I forgot again. It's taking time, and seriously. 6.1. Oh, I have mouse. What am I doing? Then close a bracket. How to take square? To the power of 2. Then, I have to put this whole thing in a bracket then. Can I actually put a bracket over here? Nope, I can't. Best thing, we'll do one thing. I'll open this. So, what is that? Okay, I can do it here. I'll keep it down. I'll just do one and I'll show. See here, I'll open the bracket. 9.2 minus 6.1. Okay, to the power of 2. Shit, man, seriously. I have to put one whole square, bracket for that. So this thing is one part. Then plus, I'll open two bracket. 85 minus 40, I'll just write the direct answer. 45 And then plus 8 minus 5 is 3. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, 9. I have to put a square here. One more bracket here. That's it. Now I can copy this. Okay, square root of, where is the square root of, what, I can't even paste it over here. Okay, I'll copy this, put this. Huh. See, 45.2063. See, you have to remember the bracket starts with here. So this whole thing is as a bracket. Okay. Here, what to say? If I remove this, I can remove this as well. See, simple. Sorry, I wasted a lot of time in there. So you just have to do like that. See, 8 minus 6.1, 8.5, everywhere. Just minus, write the values. Now what you have to do? See the values over here. This is 45, 40, 41, 5, 10, 32, 2. So this instance and this instance. We have to write it in ascending order. So this will come on the top. Okay, 1. If I draw it, so this will be on the top 1, this will be second, and this will be third. So it will be 7, 4, 5 or 4, 5, 7, whatever, both A. Okay, so if I arrange them 4, 5, 7. Okay, 4, 5, 7. If I see here, these are the more shortest three values. Like you have to sort it in the ascending order. Ascending order means shortest value on the top, shortest, highest value will be in the bottom, and to select the least three values in the table. Now we have to predict the class of the test by majority voting. So since you have got the Euclidean distance, just sort them and see the shortest three values, Euclidean distance, shortest three Euclidean distance. Now you have to see the majority of the votes, the class, whether the pass is more or fail is more. Since fail is more, then your answer is just fail. The class of the test instance is predicted as fail. That's it. Nothing else is there, right? So even you might be shocked or surprised. What, seriously, only this much anta. So they have simply classified whether a student will pass or fail in that course. You have to say, see the performance. So you have to say. Thus, we conclude that okay, what is that? We conclude that the test instance is predicted as fail. Okay, so conclude whether this thing is nothing but whether the student will pass of it in that course, in the sense of the test course. Most of the places I have seen, even in this model question paper, if you see, these people see all bullshit. Like just return this. They did not even write the ascending order. Did not even say anything. Calculate. See, this was just. But see here, they have given test instance as this. Wrong, right? This has to be this. Suppose if they have given this, then you have to subtract each value with this number and the assessment value with this number and the project submitted value by this number, and then sort it again in ascending descending order, you will get the value. So this was KNN algorithm using a data set to verify. I'll try to complete the next problem very quickly. If you understand KNN, then you will be able to understand the remaining weighted KNN more easily. We'll see that in the next video.